Altium dropped a $995 per year plan per year. I stress tested it in a real design, a very complex design. And here's what really mattered, what didn't matter, and whether it pays for itself. Before that though, shout outs to Altium for sponsoring this video and allowing me to really dig deep into testing whether this can work for real designs and save a lot of time in the workflow. So I'll get into that in the rest of this video. So just to give you a quick lay of the land right here, what's included in this thing? And here you see the Altium Develop Platform fee. The Altium Designer Platform has this. They have the design portal, the Altium Designer itself, the bill of materials or BOM portal, requirements portal. I'm most excited about this one, and the MCAD co-designer. I'm going to focus on the three that actually saved me the most time. The first one being the BOM portal. When I uploaded my 2000 component Excel spreadsheet along with alternates, the Altium BOM portal automatically imported everything for me, and it auto matched the lead component and the alternates. So that made me get back 20 hours in a 2000 plus line list. You know, if I'm at say $50 per hour or whatever, that's the yearly fee in about a week's worth of time saved. You know, if you're a designer making 50 per hour. So it pays itself back in a single week because you're spending at least about 10 to 20 hours on components. Trust me. I also have this thing where it shows the parts in use and the bill of materials health, and it shows the issues of any of the parts in the bill of materials. Absolutely insane value. They also have this thing is the requirements portal. So we're going to go into the requirements portal. When you click on there, it takes a little bit of time to set up, but once you're in, it ties to the design items in your actual projects. So if you have that question like, where did that specification go that we talked about in the meeting? Instead of doing hunting for that, you can go into this portal here, specifying your voltages, currents, and all that good stuff. And then you don't have to spend all your time looking up spreadsheets, PowerPoint slides, making sure that you met everything in all this different files. Everything is put into here in this ecosystem. I absolutely love it. This is new. And what's great is your requirements. It's just so richly featured. It has all of these things, children, parents. I won't get into it. I'll do a deep dive later, but you can then tie these requirements to your actual project. So if you go in here, this is the other part of it. We have bill of materials, then the project themselves, and you can upload project files from whether it's KiCad, OrCAD, or of course Altium, and then have your requirements embedded inside the actual schematic PCB 3D view of your design from your requirements. Okay, so no more hunting down requirements. They can just be dropped right in here in the command, and you could place a comment, right? You could place that, and you can get it from your requirements list as well. Based on the tests I've done, this has saved me literally 20 to 30% of my design headaches and time if I'm working on any kind of PCB or hardware design. Okay, just the project management alone usually takes up a lot of time for us electrical and hardware design engineers. And so this ecosystem and interface, along with the fact that you get Altium Designer itself for $995, crazy value. This saved me so much time for a project when I stress tested it and used it on a project that I'm working on. If really no glitches on this thing, there may be a little bit of a hang up or delay once in a while, but the interface is really smooth. If you want to try this, there is a link to a trial below. It is an affiliate link. Yeah, the video is sponsored, but don't worry about that. This is what I've literally been using for a very complex design, at least 1000 component PCB, and it's just saved me tens of hours of time and gives me complete clarity in my design. Okay, Highly recommend you use it, try it out, see what works for you, and let me know your thoughts. I've got to say, hats off to Altium for coming out with this. I mean, they did a bang up job on this one, especially with the pricing. Highly recommended. It saved me a bunch of time, and I'm sure it will for you as well. Whether you're a solopreneur or a small, medium business, this is definitely worth trying out. A+.